last time I saw my family was May 1975. When I was young, I was mainly the support team of my family. We had a good connection.
I just hope they remember me. I haven't seen them in a long time, and I hope they're there.
My name is Otis Johnson. I was in prison from 1975 to 2014 for attempted murder of a police officer.
Prison affected me a lot. My re-entry was a little bit hard at first because things had changed. A majority of the people was talking to themselves, and then I looked closer and they seemed to have things in their ears. Oh, so with iPhones, they call them or something like that. I think in 1998 or something like that, I lost contact with my family. Coming out of prison, right, I was mainly alone. Like I said, I had no birth certificate, nothing like that. I had no family, no girlfriends, no sisters, no brothers, no people that I can communicate that I had years ago that might could help me adjust into society.
I want to go to Asbury Park to find my family. The only address I really had was Asbury Park.
You from here?
Yeah.
How long you been here?
All my life.
You know Daddy Moore?
Passed away, right?
No, I hope not. Where's Springwood Avenue? What happened to the projects?
When last time you was here?
1975.
1975.
I just got out of prison. Doing 40 years. My aunt was Dottie Moore.
I know Dottie, but I don't know if that's the same guy.
She used to have a store on Springwood Avenue.
Dottie Moore is like my mother. That's who I went to. Sometimes we got psychiatrists. Psychiatrists got psychiatrists too. There's somebody to talk to them. She was everything to me. We lived in Pine Street, so that's the main address I was going to go to first.
I'm almost sure it's this one. Problem is, I'm scared. Dottie Moore. I'm looking for Dottie Moore that used to live here. Dottie Moore. Oh no? They moved. Oh. Dottie Moore?
Dottie Moore.
And she used to live in the second house right there. Mm-hmm.
Well, he needs to go see Carol Lynn at 30.
You need to see Carol Lynn.
I heard that name.
And you know a man named Otis Johnson, they call him Sonny?
Carol? Wow. Yes, Otis Johnson. They used to call me Sonny. I remember you, but you used to be a tough girl.
She still is.
I ain't forget it.
Tough.
Okay.
She still don't take no mess.
Yeah, oh.
Right.
Wow.
You get ready to cry.
Uh-huh.
It's just so emotional.
Now you tell somebody
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
know. Good luck
I'm
to
telling
you.
you. Yeah.
Okay. God bless you.
Right, huh? You know, trying to find all my cousins and stuff.
She knew part of my family, and she knew some of the people that I socialized with when I was young. And I wasn't a real good boy. You know, I was also a bad boy too.
I know I ain't right, I'm a dog, and all the other things that you heard on the blog. I know I got many flaws, the spoiled little kid that ain't had many chores. I grew up like Bam, in the party going ham, I threw up like Bam. Everybody
I was
gather around for the
FOI, Future Islam, Nation of Islam, NOI, Nation of Islam. That means like Farrakhan, Malcolm Fowler. Because a lot of people got a wrong interpretation of Black Panthers, of blackness. It wasn't bad. It wasn't all bad.
Do you remember Calvin Lane?
She introduced me to these four people, and they knew my people right away. One of them was named Cal. He said my name before I had said myself.
Oh, that's Cal. Oh, man. It's Otis. That's my boy, Otis.
That's how I do, Calvin.
Oh, man.
The game of love gets so ugly, like the pressure you don't pay at the
I will knock you out. Go ahead.
Someone's date, how could you say it? Kept me in their minds. Calvin, brother. Because he was part of the hood too. Calvin was really one that introduced me to my family.
Everybody knows these others around here. Eventually, as I keep talking about Otis and stuff like that there, it's all going to come out. Some person will know this person, some person know that person, and then his family, somebody going to know somebody in his family, which going to come out and we're going to get him in touch with him.
You got an uncle live up on Daggone Hill.
Yeah, Robert Harper.
Hello?
Rebecca,
Yeah.
you want to talk to your cousin or not?
Yeah. You gonna put him on?
You're talking to him, Rebecca.
Okay. How you doing?
I'm okay, kid. You know,
That's good.
I've been trying to find everybody. I'm in Asbury Park right now. We
Oh,
over.
you are?
Mm-hmm.
Give Uncle Robert a call, okay?
Okay, I will.
Hi, Robert. I'm with Otis right now, and he's interested in seeing you guys. He hasn't seen you, obviously, for, 40 years, and I was wondering if you'd be interested. They'd love to see you, they said.
Okay.
Yay, he's really excited.
I can still feel in their flaws that they don't really remember. I don't know how they're gonna act, or if they're mad at me, or if they're happy. On the train, I was thinking about all that stuff. I think I gotta meet them personally, show them this is something.
Hey, kid. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. Oh, see. All right.
Oh my God! Otis, I love you, boy. When I saw you in the paper, oh man, come on in, please.
I don't remember you ever being in this house.
Yeah,
I came. You the one that let me in the door.
and God delivered him back to me in one piece. The same Otis. When you called today, oh well, he know I had to kiss him. I had to kiss him. Otis is a piece of my life. You experience as much as the guy that was on the front line, you know what I'm saying? And for you to be able to remotivate is a good thing for you. It's one of the best things that you can speak other than, being a minister, but it is good because you get a chance to talk to people. You could give them the story of real life behind those bars. The old song used to say, yesterday is dead and gone, but tomorrow still around. So you live like hell for today so you can get a chance to see tomorrow. You're part of me. I wish I could take you in and just stay here, but I'm overloaded. And I'm 84 years old, going on 85, but I can still take a break. Who's captain that? Not mine. Oh,
Be careful.
Oh, this is your captain.
I don't forget nothing.
Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight, and it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night, Lord, it's sad to